Hi viewers, good day to all of you. I'm Shiva and welcome to Shiva's Cuisines. Today I'm going to cook a very simple vegetarian dish. It's long bean stir fry with vegetarian chicken. Let's prepare the dish. Long beans. Cut them into 2-inch length pieces. Wash, rinse and drain them well. For the vegetarian chicken, cut them into small pieces, fry them and set them aside too. Let's go into the ingredients. We have 1 onion, 4 dry chili, 1 tablespoon of vegetarian oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of corn starch mixed with water, 1 inch ginger and 2 pots of garlic cut into long slices, 1 tablespoon of chili paste and half stalk of onion leaves. Heat the wok, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and swirl it around to coat the wok. When shimmering, add garlic and ginger. Saute it. Then add in the onion slices, which you need to cook till it's fragrant and translucent. When the onion gets translucent, add in the dry chilies and saute them for about 20 seconds. Then add in the chili paste and keep cooking them. And add some water to get the chili cooked well. Add in the long beans and stir them well. Keep stirring them for a minute or so and add some water if needed for the long beans to get cooked. Add in the vegetarian oyster sauce and stir well. You can add in the vegetarian chicken pieces. Stir them well. Then add some salt to taste. I put in about half teaspoon of salt and keep stirring them for a while and add in the cornstarch water. Gently stir them for about 20 seconds and off the stove and we are done.